Gas trading around $3.0116. If you look at this particular trend, clear U pattern is forming at this particular level. Then there is an upside. And if this pattern, now if you see this particular pattern is supporting a downside, okay, this particular pattern, we can see that as soon as it started making half from 4.5, we were thinking that this particular pattern is supporting an upside, this pattern supporting an upside. But as soon as it started coming down, what we have seen that this particular pattern is supporting downside because the price was sustaining below a level of 4.2, and once started going below this level, this pattern is cancelled, and then we can see this particular pattern is supporting this downside because a clear U pattern is formed, opposite U pattern is formed, where we have seen there is a gap down, okay, towards a level of 3.6. then we have seen the candle is that a bigger candle was red, and after that there is a 4 candles made in this particular high and low. Okay, after that we have seen there is a gap down which is around trading around $3.0106, and chances are high this gap will be filled towards 2.9 because there is a gap which can fill at a level of 2.9. So trail your SL by 0.15 at least, so you can capture downside movement. Okay, and now we have seen 3 gaps. First gap is this 2.9, the second gap is towards a level of $3.28, this particular gap. And then if the price sustain and goes above a level of 3.5, we can see the price, the gap which is there around 3.74. okay, so remember that there can be a volatility can be seen. So what we can see looking at this chart, that if the price keep moving below this level, a 2.92 gap will be filled, and from there a bounce back can be seen. And if it bounce back, there is a higher chances of crossing a level of 3.28 can be seen. Okay, this is again a gap, so we can see this gap will be filled, and if the price keep moving up this level, probability of going towards 3.56 can be there, and then a level of around 3.75, this gap can be filled. So best what you can do, if the price fall below $3, try to trail by 0.15 so that this gap can be, you can at least capture this side movement, and if it goes below that level, it can come down towards 2.7. but if it bounce back from a level of 2.9, then there is a probability of touching 3.28 is there. So you can at least, if it goes above $3, trail again by 0.15 so you can capture upside movement. And then if it started going above 3.55, then we can see a level of 3.74, again trail your SL by 0.15, so at least you'll capture up.